Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Kinemaster and creating a new project with your chosen aspect ratio. This ensures timeline and export match your target. Next, grant storage and audio permissions so Kinemaster can access music. Tap Media to import your video, then tap Audio to locate the song. Use MP3 or AAC for best compatibility. Once your track is added to the timeline, make sure it sits on the audio layer below the main clip, so it won't overwrite. Now you refine timing and balance. Trim the music using the clip handles or the split tool so it starts and ends where your visuals need it. Use volume keyframes to create smooth fade-ins or fade-outs. This prevents abrupt starts. If you have dialogue, apply ducking by lowering music to roughly half to 80% when speech occurs so words stay clear. You can add additional audio tracks for effects or voiceover, and nudge clips to keep beats aligned with cuts. Finish by previewing the whole timeline at normal playback speed and full volume to catch level spikes or clipping. Adjust master gain if needed. When exporting, choose a bitrate and sample rate that match or exceed your source to avoid re-encoding artifacts. Once exported, verify audio across devices. If audio is missing or desynced, check permissions, ensure the audio layer isn't muted or soloed, and re-import if the file codec isn't supported. Converting to MP3 or AAC usually fixes stubborn issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.